there, my name is Jane Wesley Brooks. I'm a certified family law specialist with JWB Family Law in San Diego, California. Welcome to Tuesday's Tips. Today's topic is, how do I restore my former or maiden name? That's a question that we get a lot, and actually the answer is there's two ways that you can do this. First of all, when you go through a divorce, on the petition or on the response, you can request that your former name be restored. And then when you get your final judgment completed, there ought to be a sentence or paragraph in there regarding your former name being restored. It then becomes an order as part of your judgment. If for some reason you or your attorney didn't remember to include the restoration of your former name in the MSA, your only other option is to then file a motion with the court to change your name. And so it is a civil action at that point, and you have to file a motion, file with the appropriate filing fees, and make the request to the court. Best of luck to you, but if you want your former name, it's best to do it when you first start out in your divorce.